Today's lecture is on building materials, that is, the topic is manufacturing process of bricks. So, before going to learn this topic, we have to know what is brick actually. A brick, a small rectangular block typically made of fired or sun-dried clay used in building are called as bricks. Understand? A small rectangular block typically made of fired or sun-dried clay used in building are called as bricks. And there are the constituents of the good brick earth are. There are some percentages. Silica percentage is about 50% in brick, and lime percentage is 5 to 10%. Alumina is 20 to 30%. Iron oxide 5 to 7%, and magnesia is 1%. In the process of the manufacturing bricks, the following distinct operations are involved. Those are the preparation of clay, molding of clay, drying of bricks, and burning of bricks. For preparation of the clay, we have to do first four things. Those are removal of loose soil, removal of loose soil, and next one is digging, and next one is weathering, and next one is blending and tempering. So first, for preparation of the clay, first we have to removal of loose soil, that is, the top layer of the loose soil about 30 centimeters depth contains a lot of impurities like organic matter, and hence it should be taken out and thrown away. That one we have to do. And second one is digging, spreading and cleaning. The earth is then dug out from the ground. The earth spreads into heaps about 50 to 150 centimeters height. So that's why we have to do the digging, spreading and cleaning. And third one is weathering. Weathering means the earth is then exposed to the atmosphere for the softening. The period may be of few weeks to the season. So that's why we have to do weathering. And blending and tempering. The clay is then mixed with the suitable ingredients. It is carried out by taking a small portion of clay every time by turning it up and down in vertical direction. This is the preparation of the clay. And next one is molding of the clay. In molding, there are two types, that is hand molding and machine molding. Hand molding means when molding is done with the hand, it is called hand molding, and a wooden rectangular mold made in shape of brick is normally used in this hand molding. And machine molding means the clay is placed in the machine. It comes out through the opening under the pressure. It is cut to brick by steel wires fixed with the frames, and these bricks are also called as wire cut bricks. These bricks are called as wire cut bricks. Next one, third one is drying of the bricks. Drying of the bricks means the damp bricks, if burnt, are likely to be cracked and distorted. Hence the molded bricks are dried before they are taken from the next operation of the burning. And next one, for the drying, the bricks are laid longitudinally in the stacks of width equal to 2 bricks. A stack consists of 10 or 8 tiles. Understand? The bricks are laid across the stock in the alternative layers. All the bricks are placed on edges. The bricks are allowed to dry until the bricks are become leather hard of moisture content about 2%, that is 2 to 5 days. Next one is burning of the bricks. Burning of the bricks means what we have to do is bricks are burned at high temperature to gain the strength, durability and density and red color appearance. appearance. And next one, all the water is removed at the temperature of 650 degrees, but they are burnt at the temperature of about 1100 degrees, because the fusing of sand and lime takes place at the temperature and chemical bonding takes place between these materials after the temperature is cooled down, resulting in the hard and dense mass. These bricks can be burned using the some methods. That is, first one is clamp burning, and second one is kiln burning. And in kiln burning there is intermediate kilns and continuous kilns. Continuous kilns. In continuous kilns there are Bull's trench and Hoffman's kiln. Hoffman's kiln. This is the manufacturing process of the bricks, and we have learned about what is brick and the constituents of good brick, and what is the process, that is preparation of the clay, molding of clay, drying of bricks and burning of bricks. We have learned what is the manufacturing process of bricks in detail. And next, coming to the classification of the bricks, based on the quality, the bricks are classified into 4 types. Those are first class bricks, second class bricks, third class bricks and fourth class bricks. And these classification of bricks are based on some parameters. Those are classification of clay bricks based on the field practice, and classification of the clay bricks based on strength, classification of bricks based on shape, classification of bricks based on the usage, and classification of bricks based on finish, and some other classification of bricks based on the manufacturing, and classification of bricks based on the burning also. In first class bricks, the water absorption is about 20% and crushing strength is greater than or equal to 10.5 Newton per mm square, and flooring and brick and pointing will be there. And coming to the second class bricks, the water absorption is around 22% and crushing strength is greater than or equals to 7 Newton per mm square, and hidden masonry work will be there. And coming to the third class bricks, the water absorption is around 25% and crushing strength is around 3.5 Newton per mm square, and this is the temporary structure. Like this, the bricks are classified on the various parameters. And fourth class bricks, these bricks are overburnt and they will have the poor quality, and they are unsuitable for any construction purposes as they may have cracks, distortions and other defects also.